Hi there, Adita Lang from aditalang.com, and today I'm going to give you a sneak peek into my workout routine because I kind of have figured that I'm doing these videos and I haven't really been getting my full workout in, so I might as well show that to you. So we are going to go through a little full body workout. I mix up everything. There's going to be yoga, Pilates, strength training, and whatever else I can figure out that I feel like I really want to do. I've been doing a lot of sitting, so I want to make sure that I get a lot of stretching in, right? And I want to just feel stronger overall. So that's my goal in today's workout. Now with that said, I have a pair of dumbbells here that are they're self-adjusting dumbbells. They go from 5 to 25 pounds, but you don't really need dumbbells. If you don't have them, guess what? 2 cans of black beans works, or 2 big water bottles that are full of water, not empty, those would work as well. So you can just use something that has a little bit of weight. But as you're using those exterior weights, I want you to think about something. You have to use what I call intentional training. So what that means is that even if you had no weight and we were doing bicep curls, you've got to get your form and technique just right, and you've got to squeeze the muscle as you're doing the activity. Even if you have weight or no weight, you've got to squeeze the muscle. So you're going to hear some cues that I give you into how your body should be positioned so that you can contract that muscle fully. And I want you to really take advantage of that because that's only going to make your program that much more successful.